Hello everyone, my name is Caleb, and today I will be showing you how to use the basic tools in Adobe Illustrator. The tools I will be demonstrating are the Selection and Direct Selection tools, the Pen and Curvature tools, the Gradient tool, along with the Eyedropper tool. I will also show you how to export your project when you are finished with it. Alright, let's get started. First, we will look at the Pen and Curvature tools. The Pen tool is the most commonly used tool in Adobe Illustrator. This allows you to draw different shapes onto your canvas. To use the Pen tool, click once on the template image to create an anchor point. Click on another spot to create a line. With the Pen tool, you will only be able to draw straight lines. This brings us to the Curvature tool. This tool creates curved lines. To use the Curvature tool, click once on the template image to create an anchor point. Click on another spot to create another anchor point. As you move your cursor around the canvas, a curve will appear. The next two tools we will be looking at are the Selection and Direct Selection. The Selection tool is the most basic tool in Adobe Illustrator. It allows you to select and move the shapes that you have drawn on your canvas. It also allows you to rotate the shape. The Direct Selection tool allows you to select one point on a shape and manipulate just that one. Up next is the Eyedropper tool. The Eyedropper tool allows you to change the color of the shapes you have drawn by selecting a color from your template image. Next is the Gradient tool. This tool allows you to make amazing gradient backgrounds for your project. To use the Gradient tool, you will need to select the shape that you want to have the gradient. Then you will click on the Gradient tool on the bar on the side. Click once more on the shape to create a gradient. The gradient will have a line going through the middle. This line allows you to change how much of one color you want to appear on the shape. When you double click on the Gradient tool, a menu will appear that allows you to change the color of the gradient, add more colors to the gradient, and choose a different style of gradient, such as radial and freeform. It also allows you to change the opacity and angle of the gradient. Finally, I will show you how to export your project. First off, select File, and go down to Export, and select Export As. From there, you will be able to change the name of the file, where you want the file to end up after exporting, and the format of the file. When you are finished, select Export. And there you go. Those are the basic tools in Adobe Illustrator that you will need to create beautiful artwork.